This lawn was a serious labor of love. I originally was going to try and fill in the patches of seed, but I didn't want to be without my lawn for months while it grew, so I started calling around and I got some estimates for sod. And just for the sod, if I were to go pick it up, I was quoted about $1,200 for 1,200 square feet, and that was a no-go for me. Until I finally found a fantastic solution. I started prepping the lawn for the sod by taking everything down to dirt. I did not want to use any harsh chemicals because I have little kids running around, but it was a huge fiasco because I tried the weed whacker, I tried the tiller, and in the end, I just ended up renting a sod cutter, which was still tons of work, but it did the trick. And then I went to pick up the sod. I called around directly to some local sod farmers, and one of them told me that if I came and picked it up, that he would give me a huge 400 square foot roll for $100, which is an insanely good price. So we loaded up my trailer, and then we had some friends come help us install it, and what a huge difference it has made. This sod is so beautiful, and I can't wait for it to take root so that we can mow, but I'm already loving how much nicer it looks and feels.